We can Cubeez-Dooby-Doo, we can Cubeez-Dooby-Doo, we can Cubeez-Dooby-Dooby-Dooby-Doo it. We can Cubeez-Dooby-Doo, we can Cubeez-Dooby-Doo, we can Cubeez-Dooby-Doo it all the day.
My name is Bozz and I like it here because I can always Cubeez-Dooby-Dooby-Doo it.
My name's Tizzy and I love it when I'm busy Cubeez-Dooby-Dooby-Dooby doing it too.
My name's Dink. At least that's what I think. I can usually Cubeez-Dooby-Dooby-Doo it.
My name's Doody and I love being a Cube because there's things to Cubeez-Dooby-Doo all day.
We've got Boingles and people and wigwams and seeds and skeetas that hum like mosquitoes. We can Cubeez-Dooby-Doo, we can Cubeez-Dooby-Doo, we can Cubeez-Dooby-Doo it all the day. Hooray!
Oh, it's cold today. See? Icicles. Frozen sticks of water. I'm turning into an ice cubie. Oh, hello.
I'm freezing.
Me
Me too. Moving about will warm us up. Let's do our exercises.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And come on, everybody, and bend. And stretch. And now we're going to jump. And clap. That's it. And again. And bend. Oh, come on, Dink. Keep up. And jump. And clap. And for the last time, here we go. And bend. Ready to stretch. And jump. And now for the last time, clap.
Yay!
Has that helped, Tizzy?
I'll check. Yes! We Cubeez-Dooby did it!
Yes! When your toes are cold and your hands are too.
When you're all iced up and your nose is blue.
When you start to shiver.
It's time to say,
let's find somewhere else to play.
so who's going to flip? Me. Please?
Go on then, Tizzy. Oh, yes! That's it, Tizzy.
The maze!
Come on, Cubeez. Let's go in.
It's warmer here, but it's very windy.
Yes, look!
This whirligig is going crazy.
The wind is great for drying your washing.
Oh, Dink!
Oh, sorry, Tizzy.
Look, a kite.
Oh, yes. Kites love the wind.
Yes, we do. Hello, Cubeez.
Kite.
It should be on the end of a string.
I'm a kite. I'm a kite. My colours are bright. I can fly really high and shoot out of sight. You can chase me all day. You can chase me all night. But you'll never catch me. I'm a flyaway kite.
The kite has escaped from somebody.
Yes, it has. Me!
Hello, Boingle. Hello.
It's been tugging at its string all day. Then suddenly, whoosh, the string broke and it escaped.
Don't worry, Boingle. We'll catch it for you.
I've been chasing it for hours. It'll be too quick for you.
Not if we're on our skeetas, it won't.
Great idea.
Thanks, Doody.
We'll see you later, Boingle.
Flying round corners, don't want to stop. Skeeters can bounce, skeeters can hop. Jumping so high, they go over the top.
Over here.
Skeeters
This
are
way.
fun. Come on, everyone.
We've got to go faster.
We're skeetering high, we're skeetering low. Sometimes we're fast, sometimes we're slow. Our skeeters will go where we want them to go. Skeeters are fun. Come on, everyone.
You can't catch me.
There it is.
Skeeters can hover above the ground. Skeeters can make a humming sound. They twist and they turn and spin round and round. Skeeters are fun. Come on, everyone.
How are we going to catch it?
Skeeters are fun. Come on, everyone.
I'm a kite. I'm a kite. My colours are bright. I can fly really high and shoot out of sight. You can chase me all day. You can chase me all night. But you'll never catch me. I'm a flyaway kite.
Now what should we do?
What we need is a kite catcher.
What's that?
I don't know. I'm going to have to invent it.
Wow!
This should do the trick.
Almost.
Gently. That's it, Bozz.
Oh, bother!
Yay! Well done, Bozz. Don't let it go. We need something to tie it onto.
Boingle!
Ah, you've caught it.
Yes, but it wasn't easy.
Oh, I'm so glad you're safe. Thanks, Cubeez.
No problem. It was a fun chase. Bye!
I think windy days are fun. Let's go and find out. Come on, Dink. Hurry up.
I'm coming.
Hello, Learning Wall.
Hello, Cubeez. Let's play Guess the Weather.
Oh, yes,
yeah.
please.
Sneasel, your help, please'l.
A bucket. You use a bucket to catch water when it's raining.
Don't make your mind up yet, Dink.
Oh, okay.
You use a spade to clear snow from your path. Is it snowy weather?
Not this time, Doody.
A deck chair. Some sunglasses. That means it must be sunny.
That's it. Sunny weather. And you use a bucket and spade when you go to the beach.
Oh, yes.
Now, tell me, what weather is this?
Boots are good when it's snowing.
That's it.
True, but keep thinking.
It's not snowing, it's raining. I like the rain. You can splash in the puddles. Splish, splosh.
But if it rains too much, you get a flood.
And sometimes you get thunderstorms. They're very noisy.
Let's try another one. Sneasel?
Have you guessed it, Bozz?
There are no leaves on that tree, so perhaps it's winter.
Sneasel hasn't finished yet.
It's windy weather. And somebody's lost their hat.
This one's easy. You need gloves and scarf when it's cold weather.
Especially when it starts to snow. Ooh, look!
What's Sneasel doing now?
Thank you, Sneasel. I think that's enough.
I can't see anything.
That's because it's foggy.
That's right, Dink. It's foggy weather. What about this?
We've had this one, Sneasel. It's rainy weather. We've guessed it.
Now you're saying it's sunny weather.
Make your mind up, Sneasel.
But what do you get when it's sunny and raining at the same time?
A rainbow!
And there it is. Wow! Isn't it beautiful?
See you again soon, Cubeez.
Bye, Learning Wall!
Yay!
Thank you.
When the rain falls on the ground, splish, splash, splosh, splish, splash, splosh. I like to hear the splashing sound. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splosh. I like it when the rain falls from the sky. Splish, splash, splosh, splish, splash, splosh. Jump in all the puddles quick before they dry. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splosh. Ooh-wee, splish, splash, splosh. Ooh-wee, splish, splash, splosh. Ooh-wee, splish, splash, splosh. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splosh.
Hooray! I like summer best because it's hot. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I like winter best because it's not.
I like to watch the leaves when the autumn winds blow.
And I like the spring when flowers start to grow.
Oh, yes.
Come on, Cubeez,